Scheduling seasonal inspections for rental properties is one of the smartest moves a landlord can make. These regular check-ins help you catch small issues before they become big, expensive problems. Today, we'll go over the benefits of seasonal inspections and how they help maintain the quality of your property, keep tenants happy, and protect your investment. A little time and effort each season can make a huge difference in managing a profitable, stress-free rental property. First, seasonal inspections allow you to stay ahead of maintenance needs. Each season brings unique challenges, from HVAC needs in summer to heating in winter, and inspections give you a chance to make sure everything is working properly. By inspecting air conditioning units in spring, for example, you avoid surprise breakdowns during the summer when they're in high demand. In the fall, checking the heating system before temperatures drop ensures tenants stay warm through the winter. Staying proactive with maintenance extends the life of your systems and saves money on emergency repairs. With scheduled inspections, you reduce the chances of unexpected issues, which keeps both you and your tenants happier. Another big benefit of seasonal inspections is protecting your property from seasonal damage. Winter inspections help identify issues like drafts, leaks, or insulation problems, which can lead to higher heating costs and potential damage if left unchecked. In summer, an inspection might reveal roof or gutter issues that could cause water damage during rainstorms. By catching these problems early, you prevent more serious damage down the line, keeping your property in better shape and reducing costly repairs. This ongoing maintenance helps preserve the value of your property, making it a more profitable investment in the long run. Inspections also improve tenant satisfaction and retention. Tenants appreciate landlords who keep up with maintenance and care about the property's condition. When you're proactive about addressing issues, it shows tenants that you value their comfort and safety. Happy tenants are more likely to renew their lease and stay longer, which means less turnover and fewer vacancy periods. During inspections, you can also check in with tenants and address any concerns they might have, reinforcing that you're attentive and responsive. This level of care helps build a positive relationship with tenants, which benefits everyone involved. Seasonal inspections are also an opportunity to ensure the property is being well cared for by tenants. These inspections give you a chance to confirm that tenants are following lease terms and keeping the property in good condition. For instance, you can check for signs of unauthorized pets, excessive clutter, or damage that might need attention. If you notice any lease violations, addressing them early helps prevent issues from escalating. By maintaining regular oversight, you stay informed about the property's condition and can address any issues promptly, preserving the integrity of your investment. Safety is another important aspect of seasonal inspections. Each season presents its own set of safety concerns, and inspections help you make sure your property is compliant and secure. In the winter, you can check for proper insulation, smoke and carbon monoxide detector functionality, and safe heating sources. In the summer, look for any trip hazards outside or check that fire extinguishers are up to date. Addressing safety issues keeps tenants safe, reduces liability risks, and provides peace of mind. A safe property is a valuable asset, and regular inspections help ensure it stays that way. Seasonal inspections also give you the chance to maintain the property's curb appeal, which is important for tenant satisfaction and property value. In spring, for example, you can assess landscaping needs, clear gutters, and ensure pathways are in good shape. During the fall, you might prepare the exterior for winter by trimming back overgrown branches or securing any loose elements around the property. A well-maintained exterior makes a strong impression on tenants and visitors alike, which positively impacts your property's reputation. Consistent upkeep helps attract quality tenants and keeps your property competitive in the rental market. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we handle seasonal inspections for property owners, ensuring every detail is checked and maintained through each season. Our team addresses maintenance needs, enhances tenant satisfaction, and keeps your property safe and well-kept year-round. With our support, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing your investment is protected and running smoothly. Now, switching gears for a moment, if you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management, Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, in need of repairs, or ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer, and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us and let's talk. In conclusion, scheduling seasonal inspections benefits property owners in so many ways. From preventive maintenance and safety checks to improving tenant relations and preserving curb appeal, these inspections keep your property performing at its best. If you're looking to maximize your rental property's value and minimize stress, seasonal inspections are a smart strategy. And if you'd like help managing your property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to ensure it's well-maintained and profitable every season. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.